What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Ebony, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you're subscribed for new videos. In this video today I did like a sexy sultry bronze look. I was actually mocking a other makeup artist, and I have the links below. It was like a paid online workshop, so I'm not actually teaching, I'm actually learning. So if you like these types of videos, then click the like button and comment below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. What's up YouTube? So we're going to start off with our face. So obviously my face is glowing right now because I did all my skincare. Yeah, everything is repeated, so I won't be going too much in depth, but now I'm about to start applying my foundation. I always use the NARS right now. Well, that's my go-to right now. So I'm using the NARS Tahoe and the NARS Macau. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend this all together with my damp beauty blender, well, Real Technique sponge. And this is not going to be like an in-depth tutorial because I was also learning while doing this. So if you pick up on some tips and tricks, then you got the purpose of this video. Now I'm about to go ahead and apply my concealer. And I'm using a Ebone concealer brush to apply it. So what I'm watching right now, this is a paid tutorial. So I'll link the makeup artist Instagram if you guys want to go ahead and check it out. It is like $30, but it's very, very informative. I'm going to go ahead and highlight the bridge of my nose. Now I'm adding my highlight concealers because I like a really, really bright under eye, and I'm just mimicking what the video did as well because the model had a really bright under eye as well. Now I'm gonna go ahead and comb out my eyebrows. I'm not gonna fill them in yet. I'm about to just go ahead and line them with some concealer and prep for eyeshadow. Now I'm taking another Real Technique big fluffy brush, and I'm just blending out my concealer just so when everything is coming together, it's not obvious. And I'm going to go ahead and start blending out my concealers. So mind you, my face is about to get real bright right now, but we haven't contoured yet, so. So I'm going in with another layer of concealer, well, that highlight concealer, just to brighten it up a tad bit more because I'm a little bit extra. Now once that's nice and blended, I'm going to go ahead and start cream contouring. I'm using the Makeup Revolution foundation stick in F17. I'm going ahead and blend everything together with that same beauty sponge. And then now for the nose contour, this is something I have never really done. I never used that brush for this specific reason, but I mean, it was okay. It wasn't bad. I don't think I did too bad, but now I'm taking my translucent powder and I am buffing it in with a brush first, and then I will go back in with my beauty sponge and melt the rest in. Now to help with my nose contour, in the video, the makeup artist did a reverse contour and also cleaning up underneath my contour. Now I'm just taking my MAC Studio Fix powder in NC50, and I'm just using that as a overall face powder while dusting off my translucent powders. Now I'm about to go ahead and add some blush. Usually I do this at the end of my makeup routine, but this isn't my video, so I'm just going step by step. So I'm using that Sephora blush palette once again. Now going in with eyeshadow, I'm just going to go ahead and just let y'all know I'm not explaining this. This was by far like the most difficult, but just watch and see the motions that I'm doing. And yeah, once I get it down packed, then of course I'll come back and do a in-depth tutorial. But as of right now, girl, I was winging it too, so. So now to end the video, I'm going to use a light fluffy brush with long hairs just so I can sweep away the excess powder on my face without ruining the foundation or where I put my placement. I'm doing a couple touch-ups, so I'm adding some more bronzer and some more blush here and there. Then I'm going to start with my eyebrows. I didn't do too much with my eyebrows. I just did hair-like strokes, keeping my same shape because I really like my shape of eyebrows. So I finished the video off by just showing you guys that, and then you'll definitely see some slow-mo clips. But if you made it this far, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and make sure you hit the like button if you enjoy this type of video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.